For today's 2-Minute Tuesday, I want to talk about the personal financial statement, what goes into it, and why it's so important. Let's start first by talking about why it's so important. A personal financial statement basically gives you an overall view of your financial situation at any point in time, which is hugely valuable because you can make informed decisions about what you want to do today and in the future in regards to loans or savings or potential investments that you're considering, college savings. There's all kinds of things that this can be a great resource for. The components that you'll need to think about and gather information about are anything that's considered an asset, which can include checking and savings account balances, if you have any certificates of deposit, any land or property that you currently own, stocks, bonds, or otherwise in publicly traded companies. And then another asset that a lot of people don't think of outside of real estate is if you have any investments in privately held companies, those are also considered assets. Now, some of those items may not be relevant to you today, but just something to keep in mind as your financial situation changes and shifts. In terms of liabilities, you're looking at things like credit cards, any type of loan, whether personal or things like auto or home. Any loan or note that you have, that will go in the liabilities category. Once you've mapped all of this out, you can kind of start to see what your overall picture looks like. And if you're an Excel spreadsheet kind of person, you like to be hands-on and do this yourself, you can certainly do that, and I'm happy to provide a template for you in the notes. But if you're not and you want to kind of automate this, there's a lot of different services out there that will pull all of this information, update it regularly. Personally, I'm a fan of Mint. It's a free solution. It works really well. If you enter in all of your account information so that all of it is connected, Mint will pull in all of those balances on a regular basis so that you can see the full picture from all of your transactions to all of the different asset classes, the different liability categories, and it'll even calculate your net worth, which is pretty awesome, so you don't have to do it on your own. So whichever person you are, you can take that path. The thing about Mint or any of those solutions, they do keep it up to date regularly. You don't see much change from a day to day, but you should be thinking about this on a quarterly or semi-annual basis because there can be a variety of things that will change. And being able to see those changes and trends that are happening will help you to make really informed financial decisions. So again, I encourage you to update this and check it either quarterly or semi-annually, and it can be a great resource for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We look forward to seeing you at our next 2-Minute Tuesday.